how are you? Oh, you are around. You want me to come for a coffee now? In 10 minutes. Okay, I'll see you. Bye. Oh my god, I have just 10 minutes to get ready for a coffee with my friend outside, so let's get ready with me. So I started with looking for what I should wear today, but I was all sorted out because I had newly purchased this Cami top from Shein, and I really like the back of it with a butterfly, and this is the first time I'm going to try this Cami top with this ripped shorts which I got from Pull and Bear. Here are the other accessories which are going to complete my look today. While I wear this top, let me tell you that the fabric is very soft and the lace at the back, which is the butterfly, it's look awesome and it's very soft to touch. It does not form any kind of itching or anything like that. It is very comfortable on the body and it looks really fabulous from front as well as from the back. I added this simple black belt with gold detailing to it to give it a little factor. Along with this, here is my Fitbit which I love the most, and here are my silver hoop earrings. You must have such a hoop earring, it goes with so many outfits, and to match here is a neck piece which is a statement for me. Now a little bit of makeup. Here is the Bad Girl Bang Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics, and I really like how it works on me. And then to add a little gloss to my lips, here is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss, and this is in the shade Stone. And here is my completed look. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comment section below. Bye.